Hey guys, Mur-Lock 68 here. Hope everybody's doing well. I was gonna attempt a challenge lock today. As you guys know, I've probably had about 20 challenge locks, and I've done my best try to get through some of them. Still have a few left here. I'm gonna try to get them done in the next couple of weeks. If not, I'll just move them on. Yeah, so today I'm gonna try a Yale from the lockpicking Lebowski. It's called a Yale Punisher. You guys can see it there. Works nicely either way. And so let's pop it in the vise. And see if we can accomplish anything with this lock today. So it does work nicely. Push this lock out a little bit here. Tighten it up. I'll check the key again. Yeah, so it does work nicely. Let's see if we can lock picking like Lebowski, guys, the Yale Punisher. Let's give it a shot. Trying to get a feel for these pins, and I don't think this is gonna. I have to tighten this just a bit more. Okay, so one is loose. I think this may be 6-pinner. He's got it taped up from the top, so clearly that spells there's some gifts inside. And finally I was able to get into it, guys. It's the Yale Punisher from the lockpicking Lebowski. There's pin number 5 there. That finally got it open. You can see it there. So let me sort out stuff here. Okay, just got the tail piece on the back. I'm just gonna lock it up and see if I can get this off. So put that in there. Okay. Now, let me just see if I have a shim here that's worth using. always end up with this shim. That's the shim I'm looking for. And I still cannot, it'd be nice if I opened up the core first. So much going on, guys, so much going on. Okay, so I'm able to get that shim in there now. And let's see what the lock-picking Lebowski has done for us today. Okay, so it is a 6-pinner. And okay, so you guys can see it there. I'm actually gonna stick to the plan. I'll show you guys everything at the end. Okay. So pin number 1 is it's a reduced diameter key pin. Number 2, very interesting, a deep serration. It's a fair size serration. Number 3, very nice, torpedo like. Number 4, it's reduced diameter again from the top. Number 5, some sharp edges and 1 deep serration. And number 6, sharp edge, 1 serration at the top. The plug is completely threaded 1 through 6. Let me just go through the Bible here, see what kind of gifts we have. Okay, we have a standard in 1. Got a commercial spool in 2. We have a double serrated key pin in 3. Very nicely, extremely reduced diameter there for number 4. Okay, this belongs in the 5th position. And we have a very sharp edged spool and quadruple serrations. Okay, so that was 1, and 2 is a copper spring. Let's go over to 3, which is steel. I can see it. So from what I see here, he's got at least 4 types of springs. Let me just okay. Just checking. Okay, I don't see anything done in the Bible. So I'll show you guys the pins. Okay, you can see them there. Very nicely done by the lock-picking Lebowski. It's got a variety of springs in there to vary the spring tension. Some nice serrations. I'm gonna hold that and let you guys see the. You can see the chambers right there. You can see them all threaded and chamfered at the top. Yeah, I think you'll get a better shot there. And that's the key. And give you a better view there. And it is a 6-pinner. And it looks like the key's been manufactured by hand. Yeah, that's some nice gatekeepers going all the way up to pin 4 and 6 needed to be lifted right up. So That's it for the Yale Punisher, guys, from Lockpicking Lebowski. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like button and subscribe. And as always, I appreciate your support, my subscribers, old and new. Thank you very much.